Pepper versus Leprosy.
I can do this all day.
Okay,
How do you
so
know when something is right or wrong? How?
spirituality. Your spirit.
Your spirit? What's a spirit? What's that? What's that?
That is the essential part of.
And where did you get that information from?
It's actually from Ziggy Marley.
So you got that information from another man, and you want me to have a conversation with you right
So
now?
where you
Because
get
we all know
your
human beings make
information
up
them
stories.
from? Where you get your information them from? Where bring you up all through these years? God?
No, bro, men.
Where?
Why you think I just asked you a question?
No, I'm
What is
asking
right
you.
from wrong?
I'm asking you.
Technically, you know we don't even know what's right from wrong.
This
Right?
is
These are all
you just
things
feel
man made up.
yourself. You dress up your argument.
Listen,
again.
bro. Listen.
Listen. No, you're not make me talk. You dress up your argument.
Listen, bro. Because one thing with you, bro, you love to keep talking. Listen, bro. Because I could do it all day. I could do it all day, bro. It'll go on all day to a point where you.
Leprosy 1-0. Pepper versus Leprosy Part 2.
To my question, don't go around. What is right and wrong? What is right
Just
and wrong?
allow
How do
me
you know
to
what's
talk
right from
and
wrong?
stop. Just allow me to talk.
How do you know what's right from wrong? How do you know that?
But my answer that already. Are you?
You did not answer that, bro. You did not answer.
What?
How do you know what's right from wrong?
Wanna tell him somebody did answer that now. You see,
What was your answer? What was your answer?
That's why I'm tell you say was smarter than him.
What was your answer? What was your answer?
In brain lagging.
Leprosy. What was your answer, brother?
No, try remember, cause I'm sure no
You didn't answer it. All right. So what? All right. Kid, you want MJ to play the music? If you're not gonna answer that, he can play the music.
Well, you only make yourself look like you prove my point. You know, say you're really slow. If you not remember what me did say,
bro. If we go around this panel today, Leprosy, and keep it real about who's slow, I bet you everybody here probably say you're the slowest one on this panel.
So why you?
I can bet your bottom dollar that.
Why you prove my point? Now,
I can bet your bottom dollar that, bro.
I bet.
Leprosy 1-2-0. Pepper versus Leprosy Part 3.
Man with your own. Go suck your mother then and don't come on your life what's it boy because me will tell you that because yes in front of your soul and your pussy go suck out your mother go suck out your mother pepper skull. If I saw you in person I would break your fucking face. Suck your mother. If I saw you in person little boy I would break your fucking face for you. You hear me? Do you hear what I'm saying to you? You bum ass security guard. I will bust your fucking face for you.
Leprosy 1-3-0.